How the union keyword is used in hacking. The union keyword allows an attacker to execute one or more additional select queries which will then be appended to the original query. For instance, select X, Y from table Z union select 1, 2 from table 3. The above SQL query will return results of columns Z and 3 containing values of X, Y and 1, 2 respectively. In order for a union attack to work successfully, then the SQL queries must be able to return the same number of columns and the data types in all the columns must be compatible with the individual queries. Therefore, it is important to know how many columns are present in a database before sending the Union SQL query to the database. Additionally, one has to know which columns will be returned from the original query containing the data type. Therefore, how does one get to determine the number of columns in a database before performing any form of SQL injection union attack? There are two ways to do that. 1. Injecting a series of order by clauses. 2. Submitting a series of union select payloads. We will discuss these two methods in details here on two main ways an SQL injection union attack can be achieved through columns number.